Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today, we will be testing a strategy using a well-known traditional indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just join our free tier on our Patreon page. You can find the link down below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a strategy using a traditional, well-known indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 637 different strategies, with 179 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 49 strategies. And out of those 49 strategies, we've made every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 49 strategies, we have a combined weekly profit of $46,000. The best one had a weekly profit of $4,100. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a strategy using a well-known traditional indicator. And so the source video says double RSI, easy scalping strategy anyone can use. And so pretty straightforward as far as the title goes. Does use the double RSI, and you can use it for scalping if that's what you wish, and anyone can use it. So like I said, pretty straightforward, not a whole lot of fluff in the title. And as the source video title implies, the indicator that we will add to the screen is going to be the RSI. So just scroll down to the technicals here. It's the built-in relative strength index. Go ahead and click on that twice, add 2 of them to the screen. And what I'll do is just go ahead and separate these 2 here real quick, like so. So go ahead and click on the first RSI, go into the inputs, change this to a 21 period, jump into the styles, uncheck everything within here except for the RSI. You can turn that to whatever color you want, bump up the line weight if you wish, and the RSI middle band, you can make that a little bit more vibrant, change the color, bump up the line weight, whatever you wish as well, just so that way you can see it better. Then go ahead and jump into the second RSI. What we're going to do is change the length of this one to 5. Jump into the styles, uncheck everything within here except for the RSI line. And again, you can make this whatever color you want. I did red, and bump up the line weight again so you can see it very clearly. Then go to the red RSI, click the 3 little dots here, and go to move to existing pane above, like so. Then go ahead and click on those dots again, go to pin to scale, slide over and go to pin to scale A. Now these 2 should move together like this here. And so according to the source video, what we're looking for a short trade setup. So we are looking for when the blue, the longer period RSI is below the middle line. And then we're only looking for shorts. Then what we're looking for is we're looking for the red RSI, the faster one, to cross up above that midline, then cross back down below the blue RSI while it's still below the 50 line, like it does right here. Now, if all that's a little bit confusing, I made an indicator that does all that for you. And so now you can see here, toggle this on and off. You can see for a short trade setup, now all we are looking for is just simply a red down arrow like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right at the kind of pivot point right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this nice steady push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. I'll just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay here. There we go. Let's go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Give it just a moment here to load the results. Okay, so we have right at a 32% win rate. We have 389 trades altogether, about 20,000 bars looked back, and a trade time of about 3 months on the 5-minute time frames. Pretty standard. Puts our total profit and loss at negative $18,829 or negative $1,373 per week. And so, is it an easy scalping strategy anyone can use? Yes. Is it profitable? Doesn't appear that is the case, at least using it in this fashion here. Now, like we do, we took the strategy, played around with it with the Nexus backtest indicator, tweaked some results, and now we have these results here. So we have right at a 47% win rate now, 768 trades. That is a whole lot of trades, 19,000 bars looked back, and we have about 3 months worth of trading just like before. But unlike before, we now have a total profit and loss at a gain of $99,701. Put your total profit and loss per week at $7,306 gain. And so a significantly better result from using it in this way. Now, if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join my Discord down below and go to the Nexus channel, and I'll guide you on how to get the access. And now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet, you can do so by joining the free Patreon down below in the description. But if you are interested in getting access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here, then you can join the $19 Patreon, which has tons of value in it. Not only do you get access to the Nexus backtest indicator, but you get access to all the indicators that I've used to create these profitable strategies. And then, of course, you get access to the strategy testing spreadsheet, which I've been tracking the testing for years now, tracking exactly which strategies are profitable and which ones aren't, as well as their win rates and links to those videos. But now with the strategies that I've used the Nexus backtest indicator on, I've also provided a layout link in that same spreadsheet, which means that once you get access to the Nexus indicator and you get access to all the indicators that I have created, when you become a patron of the channel, you can just click that one link and it'll bring up this exact layout as you see it on screen right now with the profitable settings already dialed in for you. And then from there, you can do with that what you wish. You can start forward testing it, you can start live trading it, you can play with some of the settings, or you can create your own strategies. And if all that wasn't enough value for you, I will also guide you on how exactly you can get these same results from strategies using the Nexus backtest indicator and the techniques that I've learned and created. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this strategy here. Now, what I didn't mention a moment ago is that the access to the Nexus backtest indicator is still free. You can request access. What you'll need to do is just go to my Discord down below in the description, and then go to the Nexus backtest channel. Follow the instructions in that channel to get access. Please don't request access through any other means. You won't be granted access unless you follow those steps. Now, another thing that I didn't mention a moment ago is that as well as all the information that I track within the spreadsheet for these strategies, I also keep track of exactly the settings that I change within Nexus to get to these profitable results here. And so it's a really good reference point to be able to use those settings to help replicate these results, even if you don't have access to Nexus or any of these other indicators. And so could be extremely useful if you know how to implement that. So, all right, like I said, that's it for the strategy here. We are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original strategy was not profitable. And of course, we'll keep track of this profitable version in the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.